I really hope we both get the job.
Yeah, me too. Wait, you're here for the job too?
Yeah, are you?
Oh, yeah. Well, good luck.
You're gonna need it.
Oh, there's a librarian. Someone can come in the security footage room.
Okay, I'll go first.
Hi. What's your name?
I'm Ellie.
Ellie. Okay. Why do you need this job?
I need this job because someone very special to me just died, and I need to give them a very good funeral, which, you know, those things can be expensive.
Yeah. Mind me asking, who was it?
Oh, it was my fish, Mr. Sprinkles.
Oh.
He was very near and dear to me.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm getting a little teary-eyed.
Okay, so have you had any experience being a librarian?
Yeah, I've had a lot. I've worked at 5 libraries.
Did they like you?
They seem to.
Okay.
I'm very productive and I work hard at my jobs.
Okay. Okay, what would you do if someone was being very, very loud in the library?
Well, I wouldn't be rude to them or like cause a scene, but I would definitely ask them to be quiet, and if they didn't, I would ask them to leave.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Can you go get the next person for me?
Mm-hmm. Greg, you're up.
Cool, good luck, thanks. Hope you terrible.
Cool.
Hi, what's your name?
Greg.
Okay, Greg. Mind me asking, why do you have a big teacup?
So the answer is basically, my doctors have told me that I have a coffee addiction, which leads to my toilet problems.
Okay, so that's one problem. We don't actually have our bathroom free right now because it is clogged.
So that actually won't be a problem. I mean, I deal with a lot of clogged toilets at home, so I'll just go on the clogged toilet, and maybe I just like won't flush, but it'll be fine.
Okay. Do you have any experience?
So basically, I don't know if this counts as experience, but one time this child, she dropped all her books on a sidewalk, and I picked them up, and then there was one that like I really didn't like, so I threw it away for her.
Okay. Why do you need the money?
Oh, so this is a tough one for me because, so I mentioned how I like work a lot with clogged toilets, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's because mine at home, it's won't work. It's like clogged, and I think I clogged it too many times, and then I just like gave up on unclogging it. So it's just like it's a massive mess, and like I need this money to just redo my toilet, and also I would like it for my medical needs for my coffee addiction.
Okay. What would you do if someone couldn't find the book they wanted?
Well, I mean, I would do the honest thing. I would tell them the toilets are clogged.
Okay, I think we're done here. Can you go get the next person, please?
Yes, thank you for your time. Text me.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Stella.
Why do you need the money?
Well, so recently my house burnt down in a fire, so I need the money to buy a new house.
I'm sorry for your loss. Do you have any experience working at libraries?
Yes, I've worked at a big library before.
Okay, that's nice to hear. Last question. What would happen if someone ripped up the books in the library?
That's terrible. I would tell them to leave and pay for the damage.
Okay, that's great to hear. I would definitely do that. Can you go get the last person, please?
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. Hi, what's your name? Hi, I'm Blake. Okay, we're gonna start with some questions. Why do you need this job? 'Cause I want to visit my cousins in Hawaii. Oh, I hope you see them soon. Do you happen to have any experience? I've never worked at a library, but I always organize books at my home. Okay, what would you do if somebody wanted this book, but it was already checked out? I would tell them that it was checked out, and I would reserve it for them when the book comes back. Okay, thank you for your time. You may now leave.
Oh, got it.
Decision is made.
Guys, the job list is out. Really? Oh my gosh, I hope I got it.
I got it!
What? Let's go.
Oh my god, I'm sorry, Greg.
Oh.
You didn't get it.
I'm sorry.
I'm glad you got it though.
I'm sorry,
Thank
Blake.
you.
Oh, now I have to work with her.
I don't want to work
I don't know
with
what to do
you.
with my toilet problems.
Oh,
though.
dang it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is
I'll have to keep
bad.
searching. You excited for your new job?
Yeah. Thanks for coming to explain.
No problem.
I'm excited for this job, but I don't want to do it with her. Stop it. You don't sit.
Greg, okay, Greg. Stop.
We gotta go to our jobs.
Yeah, job
Okay,
starts.
good luck.
Stella.
Thanks.
Stay there.
Thanks.
Wait, so where's the library again? I actually don't remember. We'll find it.
Can't believe they got the job.
I know, like, what did they have that we didn't? Like, we literally did the exact same thing and, like, they just got it.
I know, we were clearly better than them.
I know, like, I don't like you as a person, but I'd rather work with you than not have this job.
Yeah, we should just team up and then try to get them fired and then
Like, sabotage them?
Yeah.
You know, I kind of like the idea. Let's try that.
Okay, let's go far.
Okay.
You know what we should do? We should mess up the order of the books because librarians hate that and we'll blame it on them and we'll definitely get fired.
I don't know if that would be enough to, like, actually get them fired, but, you know, we should try it.
Okay, third break's at noon.
That's what we should do then.
Maybe it's that way?
Okay, we'll try.
We'll try.
Library's that way. Now we have to wait. I think the library might be this way instead.
Yeah.
Is that them over there?
Oh shit,
I thought they'd be in the library by now.
What's happening in the library?
Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Oh. We need to hide.
Oh,
Where do we hide? Up there?
Here.
You hide there, I'll hide here.
Here it is.
Right on time.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Ready for your first day at work?
Yeah. What should we do first?
So I have this stack of books that you can go and organize and put on the historical fiction.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Oh, it's heavy. Okay, I think that these two are here. This one would be next.
I think this one.
Okay. This one. I think these three are at the front over there.
These ones? Okay.
Yeah. This one goes here. These two.
And then,
That one right in the
This
middle.
one okay. Yeah, I think
That
we
was
did
right.
it.
All right, good job.
Look, they're over there.
Okay, just walk away. Let's go over.
Come here. Come right here. Go down. Shh, hide there.
That was pretty easy.
Let's do these books.
All right.
Yeah. All right, I have to go. Bye. Thank you for your concern. What? Where'd Oh! It's all messed up! Huh? Oh, those two are getting it. Girls?
Yeah?
What do you think you're doing?
What do you mean?
You were supposed to organize the book, not mess them up.
Oh, we're so sorry. We'll fix that right away.
We'll fix it.
Sorry.
Now!
Wait, what? We didn't do this.
Whatever, let's just fix it before she fires us.
Okay.
Who would do this though?
I don't know.
You guys have worked really hard despite the first thing you did, unorganizing all the books. But you guys can go on your lunch break.
Thank you. Time for a break. Time for lunch.
Yeah. You know, it's actually not that bad working with you.
Yeah, it's not. And Greg and Blake have been so supportive.
I know, right?
I feel bad that they didn't get the jobs though.
Yeah, but they seem okay with it.
Yeah.
Okay, they're on their lunch break.
Okay, let's whip up some books. Let's do the ones over there because that's where they were organizing.
All right, let's go. Got this back. 3, 2, 1. Oh shoot, they're gone. Let's go.
That was such a short lunch break.
I know. Okay, let's organize the books that we were doing before.
Someone just ripped up like 2 of the books. What the heck? We were organizing those, and now the librarian's gonna blame us again.
That was not us. Who is doing this?
What the heck? This is terrible.
Oh no, what happened now?
Someone ripped all the books up, but it wasn't us. It wasn't us.
You clearly ripped up all the books.
No,
you
it
know
wasn't.
what?
It wasn't.
You
It
guys
wasn't.
are fired.
What? But we
Get
just got
out.
here. But it wasn't us. We promised.
did
We
not
just
do
we just
that.
found it like this.
You know what? Here's a key.
Really?
Stay after hours to clean up this mess. After that, you're fired.
But
I do not tolerate this in my library.
This isn't fair. It wasn't us.
Clearly it was.
I can't believe we have to clean up somebody else's stupid mess.
You should blame it on us.
Throw it away.
Yeah.
I'll put this book away.
You done?
Yeah.
All right, let's
You?
use this key card to get out of here.
Wait. Do you think that would also go to the security footage room?
Yeah, why?
We should try to see who's been doing this to us, so maybe we can catch them red-handed.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, let's go fast.
Let's do it. We gotta check the security footage.
Who would have messed with us like that?
I don't know.
Oh, there. That's Greg and Blake.
What the heck? I thought Blake was my friend. Why would they sabotage us?
They're doing this whole thing.
We gotta get them back.
We should tell the librarian this.
Well, but we weren't supposed to be in here.
Oh my god, she's gonna get mad at us.
We need to find a different way to get them on camera.
Okay.
We got it.
Okay, how are we gonna get them on camera? Because we got fired.
Well, we're still allowed to be in the library. I mean, it's a public space, even if we're not working there.
Oh yeah. I'll hide and record them, and we'll get them on camera.
Yeah.
And then show the librarian.
And then we'll get our jobs back.
Yes.
Perfect.
I see them.
Okay. Where do we hide?
There. Okay. Now we wait.
Okay.
Okay, I don't think they've come up yet. Let's go knock on the chairs.
Okay.
Wait, they're right there.
Be quiet.
Wait, get the video. They're knocking down the chairs?
This will definitely get them fired.
Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, let's go.
Ha! You guys are caught red-handed.
Stella.
What?
No, it's not what it looks like.
Yeah,
we
didn't
just
do
saw
that.
No.
Well, you don't have
Guys.
proof.
We just saw you do all of that. We're telling the librarian.
No, we're gonna go tell the librarian because you guys don't have proof. Come on, let's go.
I guess they outsmarted us.
Not. Let's go clean this up to mess with them even more.
Yeah.
Stella, Ellie, guess who we found?
Guys, I don't have time for this. What are you talking about? All the chairs are picked up.
What? They must have cleaned up before you came.
Yeah, they knocked down all the chairs. We saw it.
Actually, it was them who caused all of that trouble. Look, we have proof.
Oh, I'm so sorry for blaming you.
Yeah, and they've been messing with us this entire time because they were jealous that we got the jobs and they didn't.
So they were the ones who like ripped up the books and unorganized it?
Yeah, it wasn't us.
I'm so sorry for blaming it on you guys.
It's okay.
You know what? Those two, they're kicked out of my library, and you two got your job back.
Yay! What? That's not fair.
I mean, I guess it kind of is. We were bad friends, and we got them fired for something they didn't do.
I mean, I guess that is true. I just really needed money for my toilet.
Yeah, we were just too jealous.
We're so sorry.
I mean, I guess it's okay.
But you still shouldn't have done all that stuff to us and ruined our job.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, we got what we deserved. You know, this is too much mushy stuff. All four of you guys, get out of my library now.
What? That's not fair. They didn't do anything.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but I guess I would rather have a job with you two anyways.
Well, I guess so. You're right.
Thanks, guys.
And this librarian is clearly insane. So
I know.
let's go.
Yeah.